You have to stay here and be a good boy. I'm gonna miss him so much. Good morning, everyone. We are about to head out to San Antonio. I'm downstairs. We have so much stuff right here. It's insane. I miss my little baby Raz. He's staying with his friend Angie for the week. It's very empty without him.
Attention shuttle passengers.
They have put me in an area all by myself. Same person we saw last time. And it's Dave. Same person we saw last time too. This will be the whole video. It'll just be me learning how to use this camera. Vegetables. We just made it off the plane. I'm stopping to catch my breath. I didn't do wheelchair service this week. Wait. Because I want to walk a little. It's good for me to walk a little after the plane. Not the easiest thing in the world, but I force myself because it feels like it like really extends my arteries. Breathe. Oh, guess where we are? Very good. We're in San Antonio. There's Lane, who does not like to be on camera. He's actually the cameraman. You know you're going to be on camera a lot, right? Yeah, okay. I am Chloe, yes.
Are you a singer or something?
I am a singer. How do you know this?
Oh, you get too much stuff.
I'm like, I'm just so famous. People know that I'm all over the news, but really it's just because I walk around with a guitar and a amp.
So now it's like these like $12 for interest, but you got how you doing?
Guess what I found? Free apple. Check it out. Hi everyone. We are setting up for our rehearsal tonight, which is happening in our hotel room. Side note, a couple of people have been asking about my vocal cord. So yes, I got the implant in my left vocal cord. I got the injection in my left vocal cord, and we're gonna kind of test it out this month. So far, it's been very helpful. It just basically helps my vocal cords close, which has been much easier, even much easier with regard to breathing. Steve right here is currently not decorated. As you can see, he's just very basic. Soon you will see him in full attire. Stay tuned. Who your friend really are. Guess I always gotta learn the hard way. Lie, but so proudly we held. By the twilight's lightning, moons rush by some bright stars through the perilous fire. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above. Day is a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Stars, when you shine, you know how I feel. Send freedom is mine. That's how inside, when the walls are caving in, let me out of what I'm in. When I don't know what I believe in anymore. You say let the sun shine. Oh, let the sun shine. Oh, let it in. let it in, let the sun shine, let the sun shine in, the sun shine in. This right here that you see, story of my life. So then you have to ask yourself, like, which way are you going to go with this, you know? So I tend to take the oxygen off, because clearly it's wiser to take the oxygen off than to unplug the amp. I'll be right back. Just want to cover up all the bits that don't belong. Morning, everyone. Today is the day of our first hospital show, excuse me. Breathe. I'm just gonna start saying breathe during my vlogs. I'm very grateful that everything worked out yesterday on the flight. I was a little bit nervous because of my high pressures and flying, but Stanley chilled out, which was really nice. And I felt pretty good on the plane, so that was really, really good, because that was in the back of my head. That was a little fear buzzing around, because I know it's not a good idea to fly with high pressures. I did it, so thank God. Ugh. I'm just taking a moment right now to have some food, go over my set list, and then we're gonna do a sound check and perform. And today we're at Children's Hospital of San Antonio as part of the Smile Tour. I wasn't happy, so I changed. Now I'm happy. By the way, for those of you who've been missing Steve Martin, have no fear. He's right here, all ready to go. Wait. Now we're gonna do a sound check. I have to find water. I feel like I'm on a desert island.
So everyone, again, a warm San Antonio welcome for Chloe Temtchine.
Thank you so much, David. My goodness. This steady ship has gone off course. I'll do it. You know you want to. I can feel it. Come. Severe pulmonary hypertension, and it's a very rare disease, although it's not as rare as we think. It's very hard to diagnose. In my case, it took 5 years to actually figure out what was going on. And when they did find it, I was in heart failure, and my pressures were at 180, normal being under 25, severe being like 50. We have all of this is coming with us.
You get to carry all this stuff.
Yeah, lucky you. Oh, see, I've been trying to be quiet all day so that my voice does not fail me. I'm wearing my little shoes because I need to be able to walk there, and then I'll change my shoes when I get there. Whew. Anyway, I'm excited about tonight. Yesterday was a wonderful experience at the Children's Hospital of San Antonio.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted.
You always say I guess the fact that I'm broken, I feel I'll never break, 'cause you save me. Oh gee, whatever will I do? Are you Derek?
I am Derek.
Chloe, nice to meet you.
The morning is waking slow and the traffic's
truck's not moving. There's a gas leak in North Town and they can't seem to fix it up, so they call you on Monday morning. You've been working 2 jobs, still bills are stacking up in this pile on the coffee table. Nothing's ever enough, money isn't worth all the life that you're paying. Wonder when it all stops, when nobody want more, when we're done taking all for granted. Nothing's ever enough, nothing's ever enough, and it's all going faster.
I value the moments of my life with people in it in a way I never had before.
Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. Freedom is mine, oh, you know how I feel.
I'm Chloe Temtchine, this is Dave Barry on drums, Steve Martin on oxygen. For any of you who know him, he's also serving as my gum holder right now.
It's found, so don't let it drag you down. I've been known, Go ahead. Improvise. This is all part of the show. Something about his manner. Yes, you tell us. Pero ay, como me duele, ay, como me duele.
Basically visiting hospitals throughout the US, performing for kids with chronic illnesses, all inspired by an 8-year-old girl named Humayra Bodhania, who unfortunately recently died as a result of pulmonary hypertension. And her death had a huge impact on me, so I set off on this mission, and this was the launch.
Yes.
And it's been quite an experience so far.
There, like on a Smile Tour show in front of a group like that?
For me, it's just so incredibly fulfilling to know that something that I love to do, it's my passion in life, which is music, can actually connect with people, can bring them hope, which is what it brought me when I was diagnosed. I mean, I went into my back home and basically locked myself in a room and wrote songs. And everybody says, oh, who's that song about? Who's that song for? And I'm like, it's for me. Like, I literally sat there and wrote myself back to life. And the idea that these songs can now resonate with other people, with kids, and make them smile, it's incredibly fulfilling.
Great, your key principles and how they've been such an important part of your journey back down.
No, that's private. No, I'm just kidding. No.
I will say this, let me interrupt for just a second. I said, if I ask a question, you don't want to answer it, you just say no.
So he really believes me, as if I would say no, you know? I don't think you could ask me anything that would make me feel uncomfortable. Good luck, David. You know, yes, my 5 key principles, but they came from being so incredibly scared, like, so incredibly scared when I was given, you know, the news that I was not going to live, that ultimately I had to choose, am I going to believe what I'm being told or not? And if I'm not going to believe it, what am I going to write as this new story for myself? And then not only, you know, you don't just, or I don't believe in just sitting there and praying for it. I believe in praying for it for sure, but I believe in doing the work. And for me, the work was developing these 5 key principles and then living by them. So, the infamous 5 key principles are nutritional lifestyle. So I follow and have been following a plant-based diet with nothing fun in it. As I say, no salt, no sugar, no alcohol, no caffeine. Basically anything that you once thought was fun, gone. Exercise, which for me at that point was literally walking from my bedroom to my bathroom because I was so short of breath, which is then, of course, developed, which has been amazing, and now I'm on a treadmill, so whatever exercise means to whomever. Mindset, which was really about flipping everything and not focusing on all the things I didn't want and my symptoms and everything, but focusing on all of the things that I did want. So keeping my focus very, very, very much on essentially the future and all the things that I wanted for myself. I just want to add something because you said something and it triggered a thought, and I just wanted to share this. But I feel, and I don't know if you feel like I do, but when I am like at my worst, everything is terrible and feels hopeless, I do have this thought that, you know, for me, pulmonary hypertension is essentially and has been my greatest teacher. And, you know, I was talking to my father the other day, and part of our conversation was, wow, you know, how many people go through life not even aware that they're alive? And in this case, you know, what seems to be this terrible curse, in a way, has come into my life to make me fully aware, and to really make me fully aware that I am alive. And I know that for all of you, for all of anybody going through anything, it requires so much strength just to get through, that I like to call that strength my superpower. You know, and I feel like we all have that superpower. Whether it's basically the strength that you are given as a result of whatever condition you have. And I choose to think that with that superpower, wow, like if you can keep yourself alive, like what else can you accomplish in this world? So it just makes me feel also that it's quite limitless in terms of what we can accomplish, because we do have this superpower. And the parents of the people who are dealing with this, that is a superpower all in its own world. So this is a clap for all the parents dealing with their own superpower.
Straight up fall apart. Would you get too scared of the dark? It isn't always what I want, but God knows what I need without you.
Opposite of La Vida Loca, yeah. I wish I was living La Vida Loca, but, and sure enough, my pressures went higher, to the point again of putting me back in heart failure, and BNP level went way up, the veins started coming out, like just, I'm like in a community where everybody's like, oh, I know that one. It's so rare, you know? And it's crazy because I see how much the food and my mind and everything that I was doing, I knew then, I was like, wow, that really helped me. But when you go against it, then you really see what happened. It's no, too much nothing. We're testing out these lights. This is everybody? Oh, I see. Okay. No, there's no such thing as Hi everyone, we're in our hotel room, and today is the last performance day. Oh, this light's really bright. Hold on. It's just so hard to describe, but it was a truly, truly wonderful experience. I was so happy to meet all of you. I don't know who is watching my vlog, but I was so happy to meet you. And had a little trouble with my voice, but I tried to push through anyway, because I recently had an injection in my vocal cord, so my voice is very unpredictable. I tried to work around that as best I could. Today's our last show, and then we're just gonna spend some time with my family who's here. I'm exhausted, but it's been an incredible experience.
By now you know this song. But I've never felt so all years away when they come, and you can be saved when you lose it all.
Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Feel free to sing with me. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Oh, only shooting stars break the mold. One more time, everybody clap, everybody clap. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Yes, show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. So you gotta get better and better and better, okay? There are stars above you. You'll never need to doubt it. I'll make you so sure about it. God only knows what I'd be without you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. God only knows what I'd be without you. Whoa, whoa. If you should ever leave me, I'd still go on. The world would show nothing to me. So what good would living do me? God only knows what I'd be without you. This is your part now. Here, clap up. Oh. So excited, I have this light.
Put one on, or you put two on?
Put one on. That's my mother. That's Lane.
Hello, everybody.
That's Dave Barry. That's Steve Martin. That's my father. And that's me. And we just did our final show of the day at University Hospital. Oh, of the week. Final show of the day. I'm like used to performing every day now. It's going to be weird not to perform tomorrow.
Get this party started. I got the music playing loud. How you like my outfit? I have to say I'm kinda proud. I got my dancing shoes on, and I'm feeling dangerous. Let's get this party started. Yeah, we gon' be adventurous. We went to the club like we always do. This girl caught my eye, said, how do you do? She said, I am not interested, thank you.
What? Huh? What happened?
What?
What did you say?
Who?
Where are we? What are we doing
What?
here? What's this place called?
Who?
Where? Oh my God, I'm losing
What?
it.
That's it. We're leaving San Antonio. This is all of our stuff. I can't go too far because I'm connected to Mini Steve over here. Whoops, I forgot. Anyway, Stanley, how are you doing? I just took Tyvaso, so feeling a little better. Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Kyle?
Yes, ma'am. Kyle.
I got it. I looked at your name tag. I cheated.
Cheated, yes.
I'm in my turbojet wheelchair right now. Hi everyone, we're on the plane. No one's here yet. It's basically just us on the plane, and Stanley's going at it right here. I don't know if you guys can see Stanley. But anyway, my neck veins are bulging a bit. We're about to fly, so I'm basically saving Tyvaso for the last second so that I can take it literally as we're taking off, so that it can help me when I need it most. It's always sad to say goodbye to my parents. I hate it. Which is why I want to move back to New York. So it's a whole other story. All right. Whew, okay everyone, we landed. Oh, I'm so shiny. And they brought a wheelchair to come get me, and I actually refused it because I'm trying to catch my breath right now, but I'm so happy I survived that flight. Towards the end of the flight, my tight ice was wearing off, and my neck veins, Stanley, was bulging quite a bit. But I'm so happy we made it. High pressures and all, and they brought a wheelchair, but I'm refusing the wheelchair. I usually do that at the airport, even though it's really difficult when I land. But I kind of feel like I need to push through, and when it's most difficult, that's when I need to push through the hardest. So I'm gonna force myself to walk, even though my legs feel like they're totally like packed with water right now. I'm gonna just walk, and walking seems to be very helpful. So let's do this. Now we're gonna go to baggage claim. Dave is carrying everything, which is unbelievable as usual. And off we go. I survived. Hallelujah. I hope I don't like trip on a banana peel right now. Okay, bye.